click is all it takes to lose everything.
We are in a cyber war. You can either be a defendant or you could be a victim.
Free is not free. One of the most dangerous words with the internet and social media is free. Everyone goes and goes, oh, it's a free service. It's a free app. It's free this, it's free that. Anytime you see the word free, you are the service. Your data is the service. Think about this. If Facebook really was free, how are they a multi-billion-dollar company? They would go out of business. They would need external funding in order to survive. It turns out what Facebook does is they are basically making a deal with you. They are saying, if you give us all your data, all your deepest, darkest secrets, everything you want everyone to know about you, if you give that to us, and we can use that to build profiles, to do advertising and make money, we'll let you use our service at no cost. Now, just so we're clear, I am not saying some of the things that Facebook is doing is correct. I don't necessarily agree with what they're doing from a moral or ethical perspective, but you have to remember that is their business model. That is what you agreed to. Or I didn't agree to it. Yes, you did. When you signed up for Facebook, there's a user license agreement that you supposedly read. Nobody does, but you supposedly did. And you check, I agree. Do you realize in that agreement, Facebook's saying that they can use your information for any marketing or any other purposes that they so choose? Now, like I said, I don't agree with what Facebook is doing, but that's their model. So to me, if you don't like what they're doing, don't use them. Nobody's forcing you to use Facebook. Nobody's forcing you to give all your information to Facebook. So instead of sitting back and criticizing and getting angry, take action. Either accept the risk, accept the fact that they're going to use your information and limit the data that you give them, or stop using Facebook. The only way these tech giants are going to change is if we start taking action. But if we keep using Facebook and complaining about them, and keep using Facebook and complaining about them, and they keep making tons of money, they have no incentive to change or alter their business model. So just remember, if you're going to download an app, if you're going to go to a website, if you're going to go to social media, and you're not paying any money, and you see the F word free, stop. It's not free. Your data is the product, and make sure you're very careful of what you say, what you post, and what you put online.